Hi, I'm Todd Preeter with Professional Control Corporation, and today we're here with Jacob Rinda from Rollon, and we're going to talk a little bit about telescoping rails. Telescopic rails?
Telescopic rails is what we call them.
Telescopic rails, okay.
All right, so when most people think about telescopic rails, they think about the rails that are in their toolbox, or maybe the rails in the drawers in their kitchen.
Okay.
These would be considered very light load rails, and what Rollon offers are heavy-duty industrial rails. So we're talking about rails that can do 10,000 pounds out 3 feet.
Okay, wow, okay. So what are we looking at here? What are the different designs of these that we have sitting on the table?
I've got 3 here right now. Our most basic rail, and kind of a good place to start, is the ASN. So it's a simple slider rail in a ball bearing cage. This is sitting in a rail that's been ground and it's induction hardened, so it's extremely strong.
It does look a lot like a kitchen cabinet rail, only much heavier duty.
Oh, it really does, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But we've got some more exotic rails as well. For instance, here is a DSS. It's a much larger rail, but it's essentially 2 of our ASN rails that have been fixed into an S profile.
Okay.
And what this allows for is much more extension, over 100% on this particular rail, and even more strength and rigidity.
Okay, so a rail like that, how long could you go with that, roughly?
So on this 100% extension rail, it can reach out as far as the length of the original rail.
Okay.
So you could get a rail that's, say, 600 millimeters and get a stroke of 600 millimeters to 610 millimeters.
Okay, all right, cool.
One of our most interesting rails that I have here is a bidirectional rail. These are commonly used in robotic drawer systems because they can slide one way and then
Slide the other way.
extend the other way. So a drawer storage system could sit in between perhaps 2 picking robots, or a robot and a person, and a robot can push a drawer closed, and because of this dual driving disc, it'll prevent the drawer from getting kind of stuck in the middle. It will always return to center before extending to the other side.
Oh, that's actually really cool. So what kind of applications do these get used in?
They get used in every application you can imagine where you want to move parts to machines, machines to parts, or retrieve any items. So special vehicles with pull-out drawers, robotic systems where robots need to access parts, any kind of storage retrieval system.
Okay.
General automation, and
So pretty versatile.
they're extremely versatile.
Nice, nice. Okay, so you've shown us a few of the rails. What are the other rails that Rollon has to offer?
Rollon has a very wide variety of telescopic rails that are available. We have rails that can be used in vertical mounting applications where most telescopic rails can't be used because of cage creep. We have rails that can withstand up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat conditions, rails for marine environments and other contaminated environments. Generally speaking, we can specify a rail to just about any application. Cool.
That's very, very versatile. So if someone wanted more information on the Rollon products, where would they go?
They can head over to rollon.com. We've got all the information on our website, or they can reach out to their local PCC guy.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time, Jacob, and thank you for listening.